How to add a wired asset tracker on the TruckX Fleet app. Find and tap on the TruckX Fleet app on your device. Please download the app, if not already done. Click on the plus icon to access the available options. Select Add Device to initiate the device addition process. Choose Wired Asset Tracker from the list of devices. Click Next to proceed. There are two ways to add a device. You can either scan the QR code on the device or manually enter the IMEI number. For QR code scanning, select Scan QR code and click Next. Grant camera permission to the app if prompted. Scan the QR code on the device to automatically capture the IMEI number. Alternatively, you can manually enter the IMEI number by selecting Manually Enter IMEI Number and then click Next. Enter the required details, including the IMEI number, from the device, device name, and select the vehicle to which this device will be assigned. Click Add. Yay! The device is now added to your account. You can proceed to physically install the device on the vehicle.